And race on Leon Junique from the outside, Senior Cricket. Tempest in the middle. Senior Cricket followed by Tabaco. Tempest, Leon Junique, Bagong Silang. Bodica is racing 6 from the outside. Knockout Babe and Good Humor is the early trailer. Tempest followed by Tabaco. Bagong Silang down on the inside. Bodica taking the fourth spot. Senior Cricket down on the inside. Knockout Babe, Leon Junique, Good Humor. Inside the last 700, Bodica, the favorite, is now the leader. Bagong Silang down on the inside. Tempest racing third, rising up is Knockout Babe. Last 450 meters more to run. Two runners fighting up for the lead. Bodica, this time by a length and a half. Bagong Silang, Knockout Babe is racing in third as they raise the final corner. Bodica by a length and a half. Bagong Silang, Knockout Babe. And on the outside, Senior Cricket, Tabaco, Leon Junique, Tempest, and Good Humor. And nearing the finish line, Bodica by some 3 lengths. And nearing the finish line, it's indeed a light workout for this horse, Bodica. Knockout Babe, Senior Cricket, Close, Tempest, Good Humor, Leon Junique, Bagong Silang, and Tabaco.